Please download the file which I shared on the group. And I hope you all know that you have interviews. You got that on Instagram, right? I'll share it on the group also. Yeah, I guess. Better to have what I'm sharing. So please download. Please close the door. Lot of noise. Everybody have joined online here. Ajay. Okay, just to give me a second. Connected to the LCD. So meanwhile, you can connect your data set to the Power BI and look out how the data set is. Open that PowerPoint presentation and read what they are asking for. एक बार आके मेरे को सेट बाबुल इराक इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर Now my screen is visible. Hmm. Read this.
Understand the overall landscape of electric vehicles, decomposing both BEVs and PHEVs to assess the market size and growth. Average electric range. Determine the average electric range of the electric vehicles in the data sets to gauge the technological advancements and efficiency of the EVs. Total BEV vehicles and percentage of the total BEV vehicles. Identify and analyze the total number of battery electric vehicles BEVs in the data set. Calculate the percentage of EVs relative to the total number of electric vehicles, providing insights into the dominance of fully electric models. Total PHEV vehicles and percentage of total PHEV vehicles. Identify and analyze the total number of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles (PHEVs) in the dataset. Calculate the percentage of PHEVs relative to the total number of electric vehicles, offering insights into the market share of plug-in hybrid models.
Now remember these names: BEV, PHEV. BEV means battery electric vehicle. PHEV means plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Now these are like numbers we have to calculate, so that we'll be in Tableau what we did calculated field. Here we'll be using DAX, data analytics expression. Okay. Here for charts, what they are telling. Read this.
Chart requirements. Total vehicles by model year from 2010 onwards. Visualization line area chart. Description. This chart will illustrate the distribution of electric vehicles over the years, starting from 2010, providing insights into the growth pattern and adoption trends. Total vehicles by state. Visualization map chart. Description. This chart will showcase the geographical distribution of electric vehicles across the different states, allowing for the identification of regions with higher adoption rates. Top 10, top 10 total vehicles by make. Visualization bar chart. Description highlight the top 10 electric vehicles manufactured based on their total number of vehicles, providing insights into the market dominance of specific brands. Total vehicles by CAFE eligibility. Visualization, pie chart or donut chart. Description illustrate the proportion of electric vehicles that are eligible to clean alternative fuel vehicle CAFE incentives, aiding in understanding the impact of incentives on vehicle adoption. Top 10 total vehicles by model. Visualization tree map. Description highlight the top 10 electric vehicles model based on their total number of vehicles, offering insights into consumer preferences and popular models in the market.
So generally what we'll do, we'll see the data set and then we'll note down the insights what we can find out. Right now we are in the beginner stage, so we are reading out the insight what to be extracting from this data, and then we are looking how our data is. So I'm opening the data set. You see, this first column and second column are not useful for us. City, state, postal code, maybe year, model year, in which year this car model has been launched. Then make, who is the producer or manufacturing company. model, electric vehicle type. So this is the main column, because they are asking give me the number of BEV and give me the number of PHEV. Then clean alternative vehicle. This was also one question. Find out the relation between this, how many eligible are there, how many not eligible are there, and unknown how many are there. Then electric range. They ask us to find the average electric range. So these columns are important. This vehicle ID. Vehicle ID, as ID it is, all rows will be unique. Yes, no repetition will be there. So with this we can find the total number of vehicles. Yes, each vehicle will have only one particular ID. That no two vehicle will have same ID. Then electric utility 2020 census. These are columns which we are not going to use. So this is our small data set which is having almost how many rows? 1000, no, 1,50,000. Yes, this many rows are there. So let's connect the data set. Data set is connected. What you have done? You are load directly. Loaded.
Top 200 rows. Based on first 200 rows or
What you have done?
filter type detection. Asking like first 200 rows or you should be entering all the entire data set.
Yeah, don't change anything. Just click on transform data. Okay, and how which the file which I shared, that is not an Excel file. It is a CSV file. So you can click on text or CSV and load it. Load, transform it. Now while transforming, you know that this first column you don't want, first two columns. So remove that. How will you remove? Right, select those two, remove these two columns. Then you know that last column I'm not going to use. So remove that last also. Vehicle location also I'm not going to use, but keep that. Getting it? First two columns and last two column. Last one column remove. Last one. What is that? Last one. 2020 census is there, right? Huh. Electric utility, let it be. Only 2020 census you remove. Done. Then you can say apply and close. Okay. Now this dashboard we have to create. Now for this first page, what was it asking to us? Total vehicles. So total vehicle, how will I calculate? Create a new measure, total vehicles. I'll keep that blank. See here. Total vehicle, distinct count, electric vehicle, vehicle ID. You just have to click on any three dots and just say new measure. Okay. Done. So total number you are getting 150k you got. You know how to edit it. Just go to that card and make it decimal places. Call out value, decimal unit. Make it 2 decimal places. 2. Done. So that you can have a approximate idea. Yes. 1,50,000 480, something like that. Okay. Then what is asked? Average electric range. Now see, I want you to write one by one. Don't type whole. I will tell you how to type. First you type only this much, everybody. This much only you type. Average range equal to average electric range, average of electric range. Whatever is highlighted, only type that much. You'll understand what I have done here. Done. Only this much, okay? So what you are getting the output? What you are getting?
67.88.
67.88. Now do format. Format, type this much now. Format 0.00. So just now I had done 2 decimal point, right? This is the another way. Okay, format 0.00. It's not compulsory, but just to have another approach. Okay, that is done. Now I want the word miles added next to it. So that's why I'm telling concatenate. Excel you are done, everybody. Concatenating two strings. So concatenate the word miles with this. Is that clear? Let's go for the miles. In India, we do kilometers. There I am doing, as the data set is from there, I am assuming it is in miles. Getting it? Done? Getting the output? 678.88 miles. Now another thing what they ask, BEV vehicles, total BEV vehicles. So see what I'm doing here. Calculate total vehicles I have created just now. From that, what I want, wherever in electric vehicle type there is this sentence BEV vehicle, okay, wherever this sentence is matching, count that. Okay, in my total vehicle there is count distinct, yes or no? In my total vehicle there is count distinct, but what I'm telling, calculate only those whichever row battery electric vehicle is matching. This is the meaning. Do this. Share this in the Skype. Done. Done? Yes. Make sure you are typing this spelling correctly, otherwise output will be 0. Getting 0 or what? Then do the same for PHEV vehicle. Same for PHEV vehicle. Done? Now we have to find percentage of BEV vehicle. So I have calculated total vehicles, yes or no, and number of BEV vehicles. So BEV vehicle divided by total vehicles. So I'll get some decimal value, 0 point something. Yes, that I'm doing it in what format? Percentage. Clicking on this percentage symbol. See this formula. This is just a name. This symbol doesn't mean anything. It is just a name, which will be visible here. Here it is visible. It is just a name. So this percentage symbol here, it is not affecting anything. This is just a name of this field. Yes. So this output.
Sorry for the disturbance. Actually, I have got a walk into on Saturday, sir, on that day, and you have given me good feedback also. But the results are came like this.
You have to come once again.
So, but you have given me good feedback, and I told all the answers correctly, sir. Practically also I have done.
Yes, yes. But I told you now, once again, you can come Wednesday, 5 p.m.
No, sir, sorry for this, but on that day you didn't told anything to me, but you have given good feedback, sir, to me. Because I have given all the correct answers.
Yeah, but I told that practically you're good, but way of explaining English, your self introduction, I told you to
On that day, the thing about you given me good feedback on this.
So what you want? You want me to increase the marks? Is it?
No, those are not like that. Maybe is there any miscommunication? Like that's why I asked. By mistakenly has happened. On that day, another girl also has given along with me, sir.
See, technical marks I have given 7. Technically, you were good. Communication, confidence skills. So this is the average marks. Technical marks I have given good 7. Professionalism, communication, confidence level, all that you have to. Average marks it is 6.25. Another girl also has same mark. Okay, that is the average. You can come once again. Wednesday 5 p.m.
Thank you.
Can go.
Sorry for questions.
So percentage of BV vehicles. So this two are already calculated field which I have measures. So BV vehicle divided by total vehicles. I'm getting some. Before pressing this, just check what is the output you are getting. 0 point something you are getting the decimal value. Once you click on this, you will get it in percentage value. Is that clear? Just do it, everyone. Do the same for PHEV vehicle. Percentage of PHEV vehicles. Done. For PHEV vehicle also done. Very good. Is there anyone who want to see the formula for PHEV vehicle? You guys try to perform well in the interviews. Once I gave the mark, no need to come back and again ask to hike the marks. Okay. So marks will be given. There are different compartments. How you communicate 10 out of. You have to give. How is your technical means whether you are able to do practical things or not. Professionalism means are you getting in from getting into the interview, going outside the interview. What are these all these things? So all these things are given the marks. So average marks, they are seeing that if you are getting above 7, that is a good one. 7 or below 7, that need to be rechecked. One more time you have to come and give the interview. That's it. No need to be panic about it. If you are giving one more interview means you are getting more experience. That's it. So don't look out for marks. Look out for how you are performing. See, you yourself are not satisfied with your performance means there is no use of marks. Otherwise, while going out from the interview, you should tell me that, sir, give me marks. Like that, you have to tell, and I'll give you marks. Doesn't matter. But you have to see whether I have done properly or not. Because here you get mark, and the interview also if you get by the chance, all the marks I have given, and you got the interview, main interview. There, if you are not performing, they will give you one or two. If you are not doing well, they will again, new students will be there. They will try giving support to them. So it's better once you are totally prepared, then only get into this, because one or two chance definitely you have to crack it, whatever you are getting, because there is lot of competition. How much you are revising daily, all these things matters. Suddenly if you are going to the interview and you are giving, means it will be very hard. They will definitely keep a support with you, but then the frequency of getting interviews will keep on decreasing, and you will also not revise regularly. So it's better to get a job as soon as you are finishing the course, because it will be fresh, you will have everything in your mind. So that is what my suggestion is. So all our raw thing we have created now. Now let's get into the chart. First of all, we make the background. So background I have shared on the WhatsApp. Please download it, and I delete this. Who is that? Making a lot of noise. So give the name. What is it? Electric vehicle data analysis. Tell him not to make noise. Who is that? First of all, we have to look out for whether we are having a proper space or not. So page information, canvas setting, 16 is to 9 is my ratio, canvas setting. Is that same for you? Then go for the background. Background you will add canvas background, browse. Now it is not visible anything because transparency is 100%. So this will be our background. So we are going to make these boxes, all you are able to see, right? These are shapes. And see, this is a text box, and back of that is a shape. Yes, this is a normal shape. In that I have written nothing. Above that I have written, given a text box. So text box is different, shape is different. So first I have created all the structures. Okay, then on that I have made the charts. Shape is just for the effect, background effect. So first make the shape. So you go to insert, select the shape, and see what are the things. Rounded corner. What is this? Rounded rectangle, rounded corners of 5%. Okay. Now I have this box, this shape I am having. Another one. This is for another 3 boxes which were there. Like this. 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes I am having. So let me make those. 1, copy, or I'll select this. I'll go for format painter, put it here. So see, just check the visual formatting. Rounded rectangular 5%, then background effect, background is off, visual borders everything is off. Style, check out for style. Fill color is green. This green color, should I give you the formula for this? This is 002407. That green color you select, and the border of this box is this green color. Width is 2, and this is 06E1F. We'll put all this here. Box border, okay, and box color done. Now once this box is created, control C, control V 3 times, okay. Then accordingly you can increase the size. Done. Everybody, add the text box. Add the text box. Insert text box, paste, control A. Background, I will make it off. Effect, background off. Select all. Done. Yes or no? Then I want this total vehicles card. Okay, total vehicles card. I'll add a card. I'll put total vehicles in that. I'll make call out value, call out label of title on. Title I will give total vehicles, that also in white color, everything text color I want white, I want it in center. This first I'll make it background effect off. Now it will be easy. Call out value, I'll make it white and small. And the color which I want is color of this, call out value and 6FD771, 6FD 771. So once this one I have made, so easily I can make others. Control C, Control V. Second one, what I want, electric vehicle range. So I will remove this total vehicle and I'll put here electric vehicle range. That's it. I'll make the title as average electric vehicle range. Then, yes, now I have to look out for this ring. What is this ring? Donut chart. Yes. So this dark green part is my BV vehicle. So dark green color, I'll select. See, I'm telling you the donut chart colors. Dark green part is okay. Light green part is BEV vehicle. Dark green is PHEV. Yes. So note down this color 6FD771 is for PHEV in this pie chart, donut chart, and for this 014D06. Noted. So let's make this. Select donut chart. What you have to put? Electric vehicle type. Total vehicles. So in the color, Excel. Wait 5 minutes. Sit in another class. So background, I'll make it off. Legends I'll make it off. Everything I want to make it off. Detail labels, title, off. And the radius spacing will increase. Got it, everybody? How to do? Now, opposite of this copy paste, you have to make it so size should be same. Just you can adjust this a little bit, then adjust this. Okay, this box you can take little bit up. This is adjusted. Now color for this you have to make it opposite. Slice this I want to make dark green, and this I want to make light. What was that color, guys? This is my BV and this is my PHEV. Got it, everybody? Now, what I want to do, this BV vehicles and percentage of BV vehicles, PHEV and percentage of PHEV. These are three are cards. Do this four and come. We'll continue this. Tomorrow we'll end up. This is only now 30 minutes task remaining that we'll do tomorrow. Okay. So day after tomorrow, what is there? Interviews. You have to be prepared with your self introduction, be confident. Okay, and if something goes wrong, you can give one more time. It's not the last time. You are improving. Okay, and never be conscious about the marks. Be conscious about how you are performing. Okay, this is not a college or something. If you are improving, definitely marks will get increased. So thank you all. See you tomorrow.